If you're wondering how you can check the warranty of your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the web browser app on your tablet, then in the search bar just search this. Now from here just open the Samsung website of your country. Now in Samsung's official website, just tap on this chat bubble. Now from here just scroll down and tap on promotion and discount. Now just fill this form. In the first name section, just enter your first name, and in the last name section, just enter your last name. Now in the email address section, just enter your email address. Then in the phone number section, just enter your phone number. After you do that, then just select I have read and agreed to the privacy policy, then tap on submit. Now from here, just tap on speak with expert. Now after they reply, now just type I want to check the warranty of my Samsung tablet. Then tap on send. Now from here, just go to your home screen and open the settings app. Under settings, just tap on about. Now on this page, just tap and hold on the IMEI number and copy it. Now just go back to the Samsung website and paste the copied IMEI number over here. Now just type this is my IMEI number. Now as you can see, they have replied, and the warranty start date of our tablet is the 24th of January 2026 and the warranty end date is the 24th of January 2027. And this is how you can check the warranty of the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.